Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Plants vs Zombies beginner tips and tricks. So here I'll be giving you some beginner tips and tricks for the Plants vs Zombie. So here, first thing we need to do, so we need to understand basics. So sunflower is economy most important, but here as you can see right here, this right here, um, is when we're gonna use this on during nighttime only. But yeah, and I want you to understand that here are pea shooters right here. Pea shooters right here are the main damage dealers, and we need to add some walnut or maybe some tall nut. So walnut or tall nut. So here I'm gonna show you what they both do, and then we're gonna add some cherry bomb or some jalapeno, because these two are the emergency zombie clearer right there. Those two are the emergency zombie clearer. So that's all you need. Then we're gonna go. So just a quick that's for you guys. So I want you to understand. Here's a quick tip and tricks for you guys. So another way is to we need to add more sunflower. So there we go, as you can see. So we're playing this on Roblox so we can control the game. And here I'm playing with my girlfriend. And whenever I'm gonna tell her to put a zombie down, she's gonna put a zombie down. But right now I'm not gonna tell her to put a zombie. So here now we're just gonna put down right here plants. So a quick tip for you guys: plant as many sunflowers as you can. Probably, for me, put into one full row or two rows. Or if you want to do, is you can do is the what I call is 5-8. So 5-8. So that means I've no, I meant 5-8, 5-3. That means five on the first row and three on the second row right here. There you go. Another and then another there. So now here I want you to understand the different types of zombies right here. So here we will have normal zombie, which can handle by the pea shooter right here in the middle. So my girlfriend's gonna add a normal zombie in the middle. There you go. So the normal zombie is equivalently easy to kill by just one pea shooter right here, as you see right there. There you go. Pea shooter will be able to take this out, and you can add this right here. This what do you call this? Forgot. This walnut right here. So once you added the walnut, it means it will stop. A walnut is like a protective shield for your plants. There you go. Now, now I'm gonna explain to you others that we have. Other zombie that are a little bit difficult to understand, but what I'll teach you guys. So here we have the pole zombie. So the pole zombie are the zombies that can jump very high. They jump very high. So as you can see right there, we're gonna remove this one right here first. Let's show you how the pole zombie works. There you go. As you can see, the pole zombie jumped over this, but it glitched a bit. So yeah, that's why it's hitting it. But yeah, that's how it works. A pole zombie jumps. So I suggest when doing a pole zombie, fighting a pole zombie, then I'm gonna tell my girlfriend to put another pole zombie down to show you how to counter a pole zombie. There you go, watch. And when he's gonna jump, there we go. It stops him. So it just goes right here. And as you can see right now, let's say to call this. Let's say there's a lot of zombies and that stuff, and you don't have no other way. So that's why we bought cherry bomb and jalapeno. It's not the cherry bomb, it's a mushroom bomb, but yeah, forgot. But here we bought an jalapeno and mushroom bomb. So here, let's use that. Boogs, there you go. So you clear out the wave and save your plants from the enemy. So now, what you guys to understand is to build the line. So always play smart. So put the sunflowers at the back and the attackers in the middle. Then at the right here in this area, I want you to put all the shields right here, walnuts in front. So I suggest walnut you can do, yes, let's say like that. I suggest putting in the small and then the big walnut like that. Small, big, small, big, small, big like that. There you go. There you go. And then save your instant kill plants for emergencies only. Like what I did earlier. Let's say you don't have any more plans, and just use the emergency plans for emergencies only. So there you go, guys. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And oh, there we go. Last tip for you guys and tricks. Spend your coin wisely. Prioritize what do you call this? Prioritize your sunflower, and then after prioritize your sunflower, go with the attackers and then the defenders. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And there you go, guys. And oopsie, wait, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.